What devices work with Ring Video Doorbells, cameras, security lights, and alarm systems? Ring pioneered smart video doorbells and expanded to security cameras, lighting, and DIY systems, enhancing comprehensive home safety solutions. Connecting Ring doorbell to Ring alarm uses Z-Wave, not Wi-Fi, improving smart home compatibility, functionality, and efficiency. Certified smart locks work with Ring app live streams, but standalone options are limited by connection type. Connecting a Ring doorbell with a Ring alarm system enhances compatibility with a wider range of smart lock options. Integrate a non-certified smart garage door opener into Ring for control, alerts, and routine integration. Reliable sirens are essential. Ring's base station includes one certified dome siren, enhances security, configurable via Ring app. A smart TV with Alexa displays Ring device video via voice commands, like Alexa, show the front door. The Ring Alarm Pro Security Kit features an Eero Wi-Fi 6 router, ensuring secure high-speed connectivity and eliminating dead zones. Certified thermostats, smoke CO alarms, and water systems integrate with Ring for smart management via the app. Ring devices integrate with smart plugs via Z-Wave, enabling on-off control and dimming through app. Smart switches integrate with Ring devices, need alarm system, control lights via app, adjust brightness, on, off. Ring products integrate with Alexa speakers, displays like Echo Show, Echo, Echo Dot, ensuring seamless operation of video doorbells and alarm systems.
Go to GearBrain for more information.